amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba.
I was for Yamamo Ajo na Emakwaba and Famra Ijumadi Atu di Sinupi on Kumawood television. So ene eda ejuada exactly a week today 4/9 around this time na aka just barely 51 minutes na o my Ghana yede abato wonsunsun so bia ina no eba ewiye na decide who becomes the next president of our Republic of Ghana. And after so 275 constituencies ibe must be for, and so the election will be held in 33,000 polling stations. And elections no better no, and we have over 1,000 security personnel across the country. Omere ama abatono etumi akoso yatra se benyamre na yedi enkomo ewa ha enne some de edoso pa benyamre na yetumi yedi enkomo ba hye ne so se na medwumade so me wo CEO edema Hefra Dr. Philip Yabano obeba sanso e na woko Austria founding member edema NPP osan investment consultant ura Eric Chebafo enso ewofia ha ena afi so insiaye so constituency NDC parliamentary candidate miami apeni evangelist Richard Pra enso ewa ha enti na nya bro nsam no dawso benyamre na yedi enkomoda Electoral Commission of Ghana enopai omene santre for omene yakasa omo se yede betumi akama Ghana fo nyina to omo nsam o ambato ka finally the omo friend no let the citizens know no enei omo be ehunu so ambasa na yehia biewu a na omo be declare results no and that central for na kama Ghana fo nyina so atumi atibi the Electoral Commission yehia no omo say 542 Ghanaians bi wo ha they are entitled to vote and so from so binti no omo din ankwa ankopie the official voter register no emu they acquire supplementary list bi edin wo ho sangrofo no menya kwan no mato aba na emom no se meme de mekoto no chena no omon de no enkoso sa na December 7th no the official one no de enya de so mudi bebem 542 but they will still have the opportunity to vote as we speak. The Electoral Commission at the aba say enipa omudin wa bato nkrata mu a waso mutumi to aba nyame adoma wo chena special voting and after so adwada na wotwe on the general voting no 17,27,641 17,27,641 any enipa waso omoto aba afimu na yetimi kenkan eyi omampani ene mrasebedwafo isi say omo expect 100% turnout yenko to aba ne enche do be omampani e o my Ghana e ma na do so pa e o register num 8,810,283. 8,810,283 and a ma representing 51.73%. When I'm also a man, and so I'm going to do so. A crab in a moo and a yan, a few more than I'm going to trouble. Now, a man is almost dead. With the Mina campaign, the name of a man who did especially for the parliamentary. No, Monia Madam, now Monsan for Monco. Katrina Blamafiku, ever evaluate Catherine, Michelle, and you may. Sounds like a memano 8,217,358. 8,217,358, representing 48.26%. And nipa, omoye mema, omonsono, ebenya kwan, na omo akoto Albany be still Greater Accra and the highest na do so pa nkran. E man mema nyina mo pa na do so pa. Na afi obeduru Kumasi nso a yenso atoso na uyi no free mu a North East region in the Sokra ewo emu. Ebenya mre na edi nkomo ochina meme kotome de me colleagues yakoto ye de security agencies kotomo de na EC office akotomo de. I tell you, we are going to decide who becomes the next president of the republic. Now we don't have count. I will be at me akoso na IFFF. Special voting, you know, security, the media, and the EC. 10,550, 10,000, yes, 557, and the and also Ebekoso. His Excellency John Rabadi Mahamas won TSU, and it may be the one pa on TSU. Say EC so we declare results no within 24 hours. I say, I don't know EC but on to prom, no more yes I don't know. Ebenyamre na yetumi edin komo nsam the doors on the Kwalebu emergency unit. Yes, ija to ho. Ama nipa miensa coronavirus omo ebia ka omo mo da ho no. Eyi omo e de omo eko University of Ghana Medical Center. Ana won so nkomo won say Ghana Commercial Bank so they say over the weekend and so branch back Kantamanto so ija etimi eto ho a na no so no enye agro watch na back of 275 constituencies and about one back so December 7 channel so say we UMP na we mampani a obedie no na akokofado wasantemantam we beko ho na ensentwe no de echi no one yetimi edi ho enkomo enso o me ntwa me homra me ba empanifo no nyina wa ha CEO mi am papa Dr. Philip Yaubano Kumawood is a kron ibi ni echi wo fi ha sanso e na boga 1 enei boga for no ba beto aba nti wo ko Australia boga ba ko a founding member no investment consultant edema MPP Eric Chibafo Eric Zofia e na minua penny ope MP we nsia so NDC mu no ope nsia so maka chen say eden de na so mitumi ade nyina ye yentwe homra. We are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, YouTube, Kumawood TV. We need Michael Nana Admako say Mike. Wajen channel 0202 668464. But the baby nyamre yakin kan ede am. Yeba sisi ayeba. Yeba se kwatwe na se. Yeba sisi.
I'm not from Mobile Aqua, some Jimre, Nasa, the more heavy. A KNG by any the time about Mesha, the Abegamaso, now my refuge and a how not so to me in the Dana Mount I am Reun, a young Yona, but Madina no time about Mesha Ibi, Bura Drasta Basho, from a show be our say, open time about Mesha, now when you be a beat me up wow, you okay and Jane about castles, a dra on no matter one and Quamwano, in Yan or Ding a stone, they sent down. Na aboa mo tumi edi yare so na wonya K and G haba ka so CB at that time haba me shan na ukabo na no ma dia no kwasan sene se wani na ensese ka chiro to make am for sai nru mi nu e dia ma so bi bara mo nwa transport haba to family show e bi e tun do ya kwa so pe K and G haba ka so and that time haba me sha so for number 0244 417 669 e be that tie phone na the phone na so mo nya da je na mo hwe me din the Dr. Kennedy Uso Agyeman me do bi bia as if I shall plan a mission, your bag.
Brade, and not so good. Ah, Na time ba me share me see ba queen why me say.
Bra, said your time about Misha. Esia Jimmy ni me fearful. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this so fa ni nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time about Misha ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, we dra ni time about Misha.
Enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi anidie no. We dra ni time about Misha. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Enye akoda a woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about Misha edre bi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atridie malaria bi ansa.
Ayo se time ni TIME. Time about Misha. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tuato.
FDA ahwe adwadie nkwatoa yi mu age atomo se eye.
Mensenye dia nanka malaria ye me pasa. Ada mutu mi mwame.
No ye, mami.
Menye drum.
Oh yeah.
Your friend nye dia herbal mixture. Eye malaria do papa. So woko hospital. Na hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moja mu a. Kopenya dia herbal mixture. Ebe su malaria nyina. Wonu mu ato a nyanya dia herbal mixture. Wonu mu beye wo kama na wo bedi. Be batama.
Mami.
Si wa worry si ho.
Yeah.
No be so. Mami.
Na mami. Ba ko pe na ode mami.
Ko heba shop dodo nemo. Nsabeka bi.
Me de bejia ware na nkasa. Nye dua herbal mixture.
Dua ye dro.
Ebusiafo mami kan yampa. Hwederi a mekuno wo si bi hwie aduane no. Hwehwe nye dua herbal mixture. Na wanom ede amame. Abofra wonni mfie dumienu ana opemfo entumi mfa se edure. Nye dua herbal mixture. Bro. Aduane.
Adi a hwehwe edwadie yi nkrato age atomu se eye.
Ade na so hu mi a wo de bibi osie.
Enye dro ne dro, edro ne ne sayade. Axco herbal capsule. Team enemy koko ana ha me bebrebe eyi ni nyina afri ho
Me wura mi anye bai me nso metimi anom Axco herbal capsule him
betimi anom bedodo na woni XP herbal capsule eno ne ma me sisi yade ni nyina afri me so a mama me ho atome
XP herbal capsule hina na ni jabba nso de bibi osie XF herbal capsule e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia cha na ebi cha kan ho me sisi ndi aka ho XP herbal capsule ebe bo ma usisi na ye kama
two passes a one no mama wato.
Also de hwe me.
Hey! XP herbal capsules. Fama me, me so me kwanu we.
Unya anye dan no.
Yiwani.
wura ni be da nya bi
Axe no pay. Enye na ewo herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu. Bia.
Da onya mfie dumie apemfo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adru.
sana
Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwe sa ejodie enkwato yi mu age atomo se.
Well, all here. Obusia say you free mu. Why the den the slower. We na fa kokko we me na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma me ti wo de we na na wo yere. Na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me why.
Obusia yenko Kumasi.
Ah mo ko Kumasi. Mo ko Kumasi.
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time oh. Yeah.
Me say Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo. Ne busu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pa daka. E wo kuma.
Right, I was answering Wakaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood television. Sabre Omedia, who say if free and ne. Ecopim the now up here. The letter commissioner promises say Achakran by Tuesday and you made us a brahadi, a beer. Naturally, I'm quite na or your credit declare results no ano. Inti Achakran ya by 9. Na ye you're not supposed to 4 Ghana in 275 BNC and have your 1 penny back and a bit also more minor. 18 pound. Even Amrena yeti and come more Sabre so and here pa say ye yashwe ye kasemu ne yemu said be yanko for ye ne biano emba ene men penny for ewa ha baran mene Dr. Philip Yabano Kumawood this year Dr. CEO Edema Health Regulatory Facility Agency ewa Ghana hospital ta hodo nyina se ansa na obetimi operate no aye so mama license anya sa untumi operate ndinei de o mampani commission nyina no ono machire e na all license kwa enesa yebenya mre na ye di ko akra ansa kwa na akwa mampani ho amama san atoa akrobo no eso Dr. Baba.
Yeah, me pacho o ma de me former parliamentary aspirant.
And omunyisu Hefra no.
Hefra no.
CEO.
Hefra. Health Facilities Regulatory Agency. And also yeah.
Dr. Biaboko.
Nyame adom Mike me ho ye. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. I'm a fan of more.
Hey, but that's what by more relaxed. Your contest is over and you now know I mean the primaries it's over, so you're a bit more relaxed. But we are not relaxed because the big one is coming a week from today. And we are all charged to say your one and now your boy MPP, your boy the Juma Pai na your boy the Rumubiati na your moko no motwabara no makai na na ya mom Dr. Baumia ya mom the MPP ya mom nyina no omonkai na omonto emfamfo na so na MPP samra
and so we know the what benefit na kayo na don't benefit here.
Well say who say na baye no na nyema nye perfect.
Okay,
wo hwe Ghana amampani nyina o maba nyina enkwame nkroma pe ena sabio obesi akonwa no so no na sika eda bank man sort of match over 350 million pounds that time. Ghana that time can need 3 or 4 million people all the mention they're a very small country. Amampani bi obedi na chi bi oba na sabio ta fracture na e ka na eden ho.
Okay,
mampani ba na ka ho pa hwe na yentimi kwa han government workers yentimi han na e freeze intimi high teachers, intimi high nurses, doctors. For the first time, doctors are in school, but no one to fear. Pharmacists, then you freeze. Okay, IMF. Then you even common. Okay, maybe me can't train this baby. Because maybe our first or second lady echo school. We no more discuss the teacher was so. Sika kwa de be truck cry then. Am I? Okay, moi out here. Then dem pa. Enti who say na ba ye no. Nan bibia to Tony ye. Share health insurance na me adwuma ho na me director ho no. Ansa me nya say adwuma. Abos afenifa na doctors ni bi mo sika ko di twa ka na bi ni ho.
How providers no.
Intimi Mahamata be mra ye be do so.
Mobile in 2017.
Yes. 18 months. That was the average waiting time for doctors and hospitals to be paid. It been required 2 years. When job on the average, it's about 18 million to 20 million dollars. In each of Cabosumi. Intina Uja Saka waiting out to 1 hour, or down for the buyer the betray. Says the cano, Senka Omoye or more from the employer. You can build a district hospital with $20 million, 2025 with mercy. But we had a second pest habosiano, editor cano, and son a couple for an year. But we are doing it. Yet, ma. This year we are within 6 to 9 months. All the mentionana. Because this year IMF, you free one, you high nipa, you high 2 million.
I said, Doc, IMF, Nadia. Now, everybody be few.
Well, some number say no. Omo ba mo free ku for hon na say omo nsam say ni nsam amount to ni ye sika sam no ntina me san akoba hon mo no yen say ya say ye free honum bi wo de me jona na wo de mo ye be san go bi na ye ntim go ha obi wo de me jona na even nurses allowance, teachers allowance, yes ye kan but the best Ghana for kai is say as a trampa my refie. And near me, we be taking things for granted. We took certain things for granted in 08. We said you see. You said you see what my muntina now when are not to us, but umia to us and not to us, but umia to us. This I be a kind who say. And I dare toss be on say. O must start ye near me be airboy Ghana. I know dear. To say affordable.
If you have way or health.
Matthias, and
this for car. Say, I may buy won't mean one polyclinic year. How many hospitals in West Sea? You almost ask their crown, you know, not a cumberum. So I say, yeah, shed the abana and to us one. That's what Casa no. Yenanum and this is for no. Omonye and no quarry University of Ghana Medical Center, the big one called Macan. And the question Indian men this for the starting. But you buy $70 million now can you be no. And the corporate hospital, DBA hospital. Yes, the University of Ghana, UGMC. How? And then we broke Kumawood Hospital because we go commission. What go here? It's room. Just what Casagas were my own. Yes, me, mamma. Kumawood Hospital, Musino.
about 40% completed. No, I could trust my commission. Meanwhile, the car said that you've spent 80%, but you've only built 40%. And the didn't mean say, I said there's some pebbles and hope for. What it's a mark damage on. There's some by son of my enemy baby. Sa turn on ya and there or this in or Sisabio that the Baumian can say your moody trying to pocket or reduce in the it's the same thing. What commission, Majibusiano, most master the same musi, my idea, Monsieur. It was my 30% completed. The same thing. It's not only in healthcare, Sagleme, housing. Hey, much over 80%. They didn't even build 20% of the houses. Sikanasa. And then Nema is a so-called Bosian now by Yagazo Yenya they buy. Mounds are all them. So they are a bit dishonest in their argument. No more yet. No crash almost was, but Omani Sikanasuniho. A lot of the projects are you know. Background and okay, did another start to confirm not now. It's at the champion time. Bay. And I people say no movie. And there's a lot of projects.
Well, this is some by Confanotion, so I think I center the biggest I center also at Confanotion.
Oh yes, and we don't doubt say then we are not saying say they never did a 10. But you compare, we have done most a lot of the things almost started, you know. Or my Sikanusi. And we have to borrow the money and complete all of this for mainlanding all those don't call Eurojet. You have to go and find another loan to come and complete all those projects.
What is the state of health insurance and need?
Health insurance is better, is much better today than before. They are paying the doctor say by 18 to 24 months. No, only. They say a 3 year now the average doctor or hospital is waiting about 6 to 9 months. On them journey. It's not the best. We say they are not even waiting at all. But that's the reality. It's much better. Right now, because of the technology they are using, and minimizing the fraud in the system. So you can never eliminate 100%. But eliminate the fraud because now we call doctor pair. Now we use we card in the whole part. No one your text message. Yes, when your text message was say Mike by or connect now. And we will send you a text message also. We can't say yes, and then we know there was. We say no now. Because of this, now we've eliminated about 2 or 3 providers, and now we hear shenanigans. I'm almost almost means wrong. Say, I just have an I just signed a man on my internet allow say we can now pay the real claim. So they are paying them and they are paying them, you know.
Another way, and so all health is not do
no problem.
Zip line. Nearby.
And also it is not the biggest one in the world in terms of delivery of blood products, IV solutions, snake venom, anti-snake venom. Now, will be a snake bite. It is very, very busy. So much so that I say now, my take as the U.S. government in the is hiring the same company, Zipline or Ghana, to help deliver. Even some of the vaccine for COVID now, they are now hiring the company to do some of the delivery because it's a U.S. nearby behind here that easily reachable. There are some Indian reservations and other remote areas, Appalachians now they know how to reach. So now they're even contracting the same company, which has been doing here in Ghana, and I believe also I think it's in either Angola or Rwanda rather. They have also a business entity there. And you know, we are doing well in the healthcare. No? They are hiring more nurses, they are hiring more doctors, hiring more farmers, and the government is paying them. Don't forget, the government is going to build nearly 100 hospitals in the next year or so. Every district, or Muni district hospital, will get a hospital. So this is where we are. We had to dig out from a lot. And then, but we are by and large, you know, doing well. One of the first debt to try national health insurance was 1.2 billion. Because next carry the hobby brain, the hobby brain. Into the union this for no more say, now more now we've done. Nana has done a lot in healthcare. Kumawood some acquire health work acquire health screening or honor.
Health work
now me can
lovely to see.
Yeah. You go boy.
Abusia, my name Dr. Philip Yabano. CEO Edema Hefra and I'm no AD and Commune one penny Bukubiano na Dr. DHD one penny Kwana Dr. KHD we are preparatory and so at yes only AD Como Mouse no free Doc Ufri Kipkus never see ya but you president was Santa Region but you Kipkus now here we are in
you Cape Coast was a more teaching hospital honum or my go through accreditations in the moment internet na your present or my license in accreditation certificate at the mawum internet hon and no koye no obeka ya beza na nsane nenso na na call chifu praso on the new hospital on so almost ni bi ni so ho no tell so aban bobi san ewie let's come ko je na sa what they mention na the same story everywhere they were supposed to build it for this so much money na ku for time bobi san no e no de ma yi na o beto so the company no couldn't finish the thing because they were not getting the money but it's gonna see ho
eno na ya na menti ase mobile attorney general ho special prosecutor ho enti se NDC for can be sweet ball man na ko di man sika so sanka ba now there
oh yes
ye de hu bi se kwa me ne obenten dem ye hu bi mano na me akasa and the news in the about 50 of the former are all in the process of somehow in adjudication. Or more court. I've been Marco NCA for no court to gadgets before communication. Almost 9. Omakum Coco board. Dr. Punimo no. Hey, but say I didn't nipa Sebio come on some. In almost all lawyers I can see delay tactics in them and never the Ometimi. And I wouldn't say yes, a due process of the law. Yes, soldier camera who knows. I swear you for some of us, in some way, I can say Emperor EC, Emperor Peace Council, they are all in court. Up to 50 of them are in various stages. Internet be bright, Dean or Moncasan. Even banks collapse. So many pay call. You person about Dean, oh, they are in court. No politicians no. I said you scratch my back, I scratch your back. Inti who said DC the Abama and Uncle DCB. Now that is what you do. In the Nabia, the next year about Dr. Bano Hefrano.
Oh, and tis a bema grand Kawanun secret and yan we are serious and this is for Barcelona. They never recall court. They couldn't prove their case because there was no real evidence of corruption. We went to Omobani, they are getting convicted. It been so settled Omotia. There have been at least 2 settlements. All the men who followed their hand. And Bessemable Bodin be and yet fair, but there are 50 of them are in court right now.
Kumawood contest as PC.
Maybe I try to cry.
And I move for say. Kakra
no correct
omrebeso
mate
nti kakra if you say omka so kakra no e be sin ni e kwase okumawu how active are you in the politics in Kumawood?
Oh, I remain very active because when say in this year no in primaries ni anya in term I think in June
yeah
it's a very short time it's not really a whole lot of time involved anyway no so na omo retain the donors and retaining MP no one. Do Kromano Nebimia Memfika Kraniade. We are involved. Oh, I'm part of the campaign team. No? Our part in the account. We had 2 or 3 meetings. And they become with them in team coming. But on the ground, boots on ground, yeah, health work, Namoho. Health screening, men I'm coye, so Intino. And other things that they send me, and I'm kind of one more day and them. But for some reason, because of NC and independent candidate, no one. Why are very yes, and a source of concern.
Minim have been there. Meeting your call recent. The next to form, and even NPP campaigner and also Monte platform. They don't mention NBC. They mention Kokubia, independent candidate.
Yes,
and it seems that Papa no why now.
And
a
and I make a second game money. or me not so sure so MPP na so NDC but certain or namfo for MPP mo pa and mpinifo ni bikura no munim no na damfo but nim say or ever declare ne ho say we say na so we say. The second thing is ofikuma ofi ankasa. All them general ofikuma ofi that's a big thing. Because one na do ansa na baby oyoko anase besoro brewam for ne oyoko ne banko ne sechere ansa na Kumawood so ne bodoma se ne ho ene besoro eno so nkru esoso ho no ono fi Kumawood fi na onim nipa okwaye okwa sore ne ade nyina ndi nipa ni no enti no na asa de se bi na enti no nyamia ne ebo ne mpaye se city no mfi MPP nsem ba me him say things no en say
udi say mo ye no betu mama maintain city
me say so far because yeah usually MPP it me winning with comfortable margin ho no enti no minim how this but he is so far no I think the biggest threat so much so as NDC independent on your campaign be brave on said I don't know say what is going on between the two of them say mama and Amakanso he never declared himself as an MP not to my knowledge anyway but or a very personable and other things but so and so or yeah he's not resting but who's a no Washington or yeah the Italian is what say nyamintim fa na NCA na offer kunim emra
How's mene Dr. Philip Yabano ASC with the Mahefra and I know 18 come with it doc beside doc me Morocco because we say oh busy schedule today following the president meetings here and there so we say dia mona can be wumu no man finish ya mona mo ka jenza hanko yi
yeah I know say oba no 12 for check there ni mada na ja inya hokwa ne so etima kira ya adwene e wo ho ne ekoso so far ne de nana yebi party na yebi said the beto niema no free suggest no bia ntimi hu say e possible mahama ordinary da na say Nelson ne na odi free suggest e bai onipa onye ndo kwafo no o kana sem ahweniye hweniye e wan fa free suggest bia ama
the progressive bai
oh well buzana say sign otua ho and then all seriousness and that is not the truth. You don't claim say na asama ekira say eni na kumam is also on kukuta 2 billion Ghana cedis ko on say no free SHS sa no mo be say national insurance omo a one time premium on buy and sika na hono kwa say we omo dey had foforo internal doctors in hospitals in pharmacies in tia omukano enso sabi president Kufoja omusika oho ejine ma obi sabi o medada ibio on the mention na start one district one factory o ma start in district nyina no manya factories there but o ma start bi intino enya satam ne ba be change hwe na ya say after be say restart and as a new focus new things na they are starting nyina na ya na kawuram enya me enya say ma obi a medada o hwe ho na yen stay on in nana any ba omi no mo san inform mra enya ni boom boom yen tomo na in clear na easy say in 24 hours bet me declare no declare
and no ma say mo akwatna se because mo a wo MPP ni kase pa ha pa ni kase pa ina si wo nye easy akwatna se and na mo ni easy a plan because we declare results no so fast at the moment then anything that will come out we are not go to court said there 22 of a year some years answer anya fail
enu na making enu and this for the omano de point make cancel the whole thing is easy no when I am more transparent or my more IT services once more data is now available than available the last time keep so many things and the way our mobile even receive data no they are going to receive it very quickly and instead of when we know it now it's enough to declare so US crazy officially no they declare the results on the 21st of November. Yeah. Election is on the 4th. But the networks and other things, based on the data they receive, no one declare no, maybe the next day or 2 days. Until it's easy so we can declare no within 24 hours. So only me share or my yen so until or say it is possible. A year my yen na you end this for. So we declare and also when you enough data we declare na that tension ni I come from last time they had 3 days. Yeah, just right. It was the last time I said, yeah, independent on Manu to my the more a chance now, man for
right. I was here. Doctor Yavano, see you at my head Friday. Didn't come out. Doctor Mijao, quiet, look into the camera. And in 2 minutes, the campaign, my NPP now.
Yo, Sir Mike, but I said, be in your tier 4, Netimamu 4. Monka is an near Mate or Mra, Nanado, Danquan, NPP, a basso. Doom so, be teacher for no Munakatia, nurses, or Muntimina aban si freeze IMF omintimi mfa obia nema bebre na enkoyie wo man mu na ba ye kra na nya de enso no omoye budget di ye no free search na aba no yen kan nsem a union MPP fo nyina kan ebi no say 419 enye say enso wabie nani watima ye amana ye tie na da nsem no mokoye na obehu anom sa ba transfer be who says some kind and then no because on your one I dance the open year and I be found one dream to ya. I mean, I feel national health insurance, a ye yanka cry, you try doctor's car, a day hospital, you try pharmacy car. Now, if you come as a say, acquire a year, and then say me free Cape Coast about Kumasi, acquire them, even cry a copy for price. To announce me fast acquiring. Say kwani dem ti omo ya kwani nyina nyina na ya wie de but nka krakra ntinya say we are looking for perfection but compared to say the buy be hu enema na ayi my ntete na da mom ntete we no so da bia sa no mo ya bibia mo so fraud and so the court no go here they don't see anything. I can give you so many examples and then no kre Emra EO group and the oil exploration by Ghana. Omoko can say fraud. Omoko court even with US Navy was dismissed. Emra a Ken bonds near the a Japan budget. Omoko uses a Security and Exchange Commission. US say a fraud. It was dismissed. Emra this box side deal. Okay, almost say it's this the Omoko IMF was dismissed. Said there's nothing wrong with it. And you know, we no more comforted by everything when there's no evidence of it. So no more they say things like that, they come back it up. My answer the customer near Susu every and we say no credit and Sunday the to into no man that same year mom and a nanny bell me from Goku Mutins number 1 onto my and then right.
Say good evening, sir. In fact, I like this man. He speaks with wisdom and humbleness. Okay, Jones Konongo. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm watching your show. The CEO is fantastic. He's so humble. I can feel it from the way he speaks. Okay. I said, are you saying he's from Kumawood? Then the people of Kumawood are blessed. Please let him know that for me, I have changed my mind. I will not vote for NPP again. I'm sorry. Okay, right. You have doctors. You're nasty. You say after elections. Say the idea. After elections. You miss ya. I'm ready. We because that time in Nigeria, Minister for Health.
Hey, in Kansas.
I know. Yo. I didn't remember.
No credit.
I was here. You chair one PC for Inshire. So evangelist Richard Pratt, NDC. Sanso and Eric Tiba for a financial consultant, and then founding member NPP Australia, and also Ewaha. William Red, Nayeti.
Well, our Pia, I say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We not fuck all of him, and I said, I want to offer and say no more than I'm in there. We know where it now, in fact, and conquer big man on my way.
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, or Brabant to Yao. 7 and a half curtain and Yasha Dion. Your penny as mammy. 7 and a padak. Oh, Marcy and Famara. Nammy, Chini, Yada. Nansa mo na mo that's why. Mo shia me dey we need problem kra. Wo be je di say me free Dubai betru Ghana. Ana me na na kwabedantwi. Wo to na nanom ansia do. Ne je yi ni pro me so. E wa bre de me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go so casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu mo sa ne me yes kan hye yo. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ye di ma me se me fa ma no. Iswa abi so ye se me ambulance. Na me sam fe de be da no enka ambulance any de be down omu ye ambulance service into any problem kra any na ye nya ni say ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say kuma stay by plan o ye kwena mko kira o some Postman casket shop here ye wona ka mebere te say ye mu hu na Postman casket shop ye wo kuma say infantile new town ye di labor office na ben Postman casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Adi, oi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who dreaded there. You could debrill. Musa Dawo complaining with Sisini Cocoa, Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who jack a sepan and neck, you could debrill. Winning a yama money mema, Edusa herbal mixture, and you Edusa herbal capsules, and your cocoa necessary drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules, Mr. Rotsnasi.
Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and my member brand, na a yemay.
Na, Edusa was the same with Bravo.
Sweetie, maybe come on, mammy, I drum one.
Hey, what does ye? A ye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Koneko Judy.
What can keep? Yeah,
Edusa pray. Obie Timinumbi. I just attend for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ashesa a dreading cat to him. Ajia to Musa a ye.
Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedi. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedi. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winna no baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedi. Kumawood TV, Amansane, yena yedimu.
Emena said we hope you. December 7th.
Right, I was answering my cover and Famra Sinopi on Kumawood TV. Identity 0202-668461. WhatsApp and have a text message with the baby number. Yakin kind at the Amawasida, Enko, Enfa, Emma, Ghost with Casket Shop, and have a time Heba Mixture. If you drew, what we drew my papa, and I make come for a day. I'm also a bit more time. No, December 7th. So I'm crying for what young day, my pa. And I got 12 actually also even penny, I was Ghana. Maybe you're for that. I see, I'm read now, yet in promotion. So I didn't tell the bar, no, I'm telling I'm read. I can kind at the amount. Now, my main car got crabby December 7th, 2016, and Kotuaba. Now, I'm dealing with Pano and another number Kufuado and John Dramani Mahama. Now, I got to a Benny, now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Enya 44.40%, and another Kufuado so Enya 53.85%. There are another Pusa, Eba. Now, the current one, crab, let's say, the bed winning the crowd, the bed leading up, Ebenya 49.7%. Now, I say, we are in winning a runoff. If you also the Omodi Abba, Beneficent, the Abba 52.6, and the rest of Ghana at the Abba 51.7, other post Eba. One so put the at say, area, the attract by Asia, going with a wine and a winning. But then even I'm ready to come on corruption under NDC, NPP, allegedly corruption. The new one, Abba Kurano, man for Kamas Empire, a Japan royalty deal. A Japan Kwan any day, let's say. When I'm running a borum kakra. Now, if you are here, the economic growth NDC time NNPP time saying ɛna esi ɛteɛ amɛdi afa kɔ abana afei yɛn hyɛ aseɛ ɛni ɛwɔ evangelist Richard Pra NDC parliamentary candidates abakɔ aba
yɛnua menua
bɔkɔ deɛ
nyame ɛde yɛn kwa akyɛ yɛn nɛ
ne nhyɛ so te sɛn
nyame adom nhyɛ so far so good. The response has been awesome, very awesome. Nyame ya adoma, nyame ya adoma. Die mi hune die, nyame aye awie.
Ujidi no, we no yes snap ya bani bia na. Because in share so die, me so say atwa about my NDC enya 40% crowd.
You are speaking based on facts. The SC pain. Enti I will not fault you. But pen dodoa nkrofo kasasa no, for me I find it a bit of an insult to the intelligence of the good people of Inshiaeso. Or Inshiaeso wo constituency na, we are noted say yeah elite constituency. Yes, based on the SC from time 96 near the no first with kwada so bantama ye together and ye break here no Dr. Anane and Kennedy can come ebe to us so and ye level ground na ye level Stephen Amwa or ye new entrance men so me new ain't it's a level playing way say a normal will change this time. A normal will change this time. Yes.
Eric Chibafo. Brokaba.
Yeah, you're opening case. Nyamiado.
Financial consultant. And I was a founding member.
Yeah, Austria. Yeah. Boga.
Election in Abaya.
Yeah, election in nearby. Exactly.
Now, if you are not money,
you may pay. You know, make.
So, they can't tell when they in a tea jam. Say, you know, says here.
Yeah, Mike, me do CP. In fact, with by my shed the we are musi ayeha how woman see out to Kumawood. Was not me tia me here say about Asante Memupana we are copying the lifestyle of Europeans and I say Americans. Unze omu obi Netflix, your Epson, your Samsung, ni omu nyina ye media platform or they portray the talents of the various and I believe say with Kumawood Mabano Maba yepa because we share the dynamics of the Ghanaian media now in terms of entertainment, you know. We Ghana movie now, Africa, no, Nigeria and Ghana. And Ghana is also a center into two, that is Kumawood and then Galwood. Sure. And even a time came now the Kumawood was competing with what? The Nollywood. Yeah. Now no, we share the way I move portray you see the social media now. You are making good use of it. The Biame can say data is money. Yeah. When you talk of data, it's money. But over Africa, Hana, we don't know how variable data is. It, you know, made in kind album abaso. And again, we share Abuchi for said na wo kana and pennyful baby. Or say since you afford the dinner, not mampo for so at all. Is answer as I'm speaking to you now, I'm not a platform so no. Abuchi for more about Ghana is close to 680 people. Wow. Oh, yes. Omaba. Omobebua. Some of us, we came, ebe register, SRCO, BD to 3 days, ebe register SRCO. Some of your colleagues need to be brave. So, because your vote, one vote, no, it really count. Yeah. Also, share Germany and US. Germany, USA, was as a result of only one vote. Okay. And America 4 years and you choose to speak English. It is a meme vote, no. So me tena ona me ka semento ana me maame me papa mo ofa bi ka so Mike be kwa kotunti no me nkwa there be. We all have to wake up early in the morning. Let's go and vote because we are one vote, no. And be decided the NPP at the aba. It is say yeah ye wo amanone. Even in the midst of COVID, say ya we mu ayedene. Ye tini atotom abedua o my Ghana mu na ye nam ye enwuma se ya na wa woti ha no say no also best what dear say sorry akwakoto a enye adwuma bia edene. As I'm speaking to you now, most of our colleagues are the 3 northern regions are on health screen a bit voter. Last Friday night I was in Kintampo, your colleagues need be honor.
I think many US chairman is here last 2 weeks.
Great.
No, I say or call Northeast also.
Northeast, yes. Was a decentralized about Bia Echo because we have seen the essence in this current administration. It will be say, yeah.
Right. Ever said that ever my God's way casket shop. When ye and can I Bobby Sia? Na ye na no bank. Who's can be one who do at them not the more coba. On you crown na papa no no fast and baba. Nancy can deny your crown. Sakurana. Be sending the you know, Nadia. God's way singing no to chat. Unya year or to Frodaka or ambulance or to my diffra. I did be no. A day you will be the only Biancuano. As all kind went with me out drinks. On my uncle, on my tent. Discover mount now this canoe at the appeal of the money now so up you will be no one could be able to be that. Into a year, baby, I could pay and also back. Fist of from that car, ambulance, by you never a God's way casket shop, Kumasi, I'm a Safo. Liberal about and a ghost we walk. For Sally Francois, who call Prem Assembly Honor, will be Hono. Friend was 0243 737 457 0243 737 457. Now on you so now you know. We are evangelist. I feel young corruption. I did a 12 back, baby. I did back. Recently, over the weekend, and information minister Kwame Adeba said, young sister maybe, young can maybe. Now the honor can say, young training money say more NDC for. Mobile shares here at the corruption issues about this week, just to confuse Ghanaians to vote against MPP. Young come and then BCNPP. One issue of Macau some power air in the party. Corruption. I buy you want to say.
Yeah, Memphis are quite away, so Naminchia, I share for I share Kumawood TV. Ye name one waha na ye hu dear moye. Corruption. One who say, oh, share Ghana ha per se yaba yato over the years, especially in the Fourth Republic now. The perception of corruption, idea, edi emu yepa. MPP ema omo ewini nyina. Yanhwe President Kufuor time no oba. Omo na ekof ball fi omo kan bibi o pepe sa okaya. Na omo tugu musa na Ghana for ye mu hihye omo na omo ato ama omo ana edru His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so no yenya Dr. Baumia yenya nanado na omo nso ede entro akohwisam enko a de nam akire so tambia I say nanado is a creation of the media. Media no na hype nanado. He was hyped. Ana mu penti no. Enti se Kojo Ponkroma kan say Ghana for enya hwe yie esan say NDC for the corruption yi bebem. I understand Kojo na dwuma na edin enu na aye din ama won ye nuanom e wa abrochire omo abafie na ebeboa adwuma na aye din papa ma MPP na say omo ewo fie no omo ntumi adwuma ne nti ehu behia say wona ewo ama no ne no omo jai omo bibia no mbe som because baby aduru no ano aye den. For me who hwehwe the definition of corruption who na na do a unhia dictionary bia o de be find the issue no yenhwe ade PDS enye nanado ne na busuafo na ehhehye saa no meka nanado ne na busua. I'm talking about Kenoforiata, I'm talking about the Gabis, any omo etwa ne ho ahia ne blood na busua nkasa. Never in the history of Ghana ana yenya o mampanyini bia na ban mu na busuafo doso echen de yehuni. John Dramani Mahama na ni nua Joyce Bauer ne cousin ononko na newu President John Ejekum Kufuor ni nua Adokofuor ononko na newu Rollins but Rollins nua na won na ba mu onu mpo take the risk edi tuo ya che no tum ne ade onya atumi no na busuafo sen na odi omugum ya hwe osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah onu hwede that group na ekofa ne baaye no a ne ye betumi aka se o masefo ne MPP fo hwe kwan o mode ne fa so osagefo tumeje fa hudi ne ye gina ha se we are an independent state no osagefo na na busuafo sen na e wona ban mu broni kasem ye friend nepotism se unya tumi se Kumawood ayewei nanka abrantie me former boss ewa henema Samdakus na wo baaye reception eye ni nua ba accountant eye ne wofa se di ogina camera yachi eye ni nua bema na abusuasam nwunan wo say Mike environment no I don't know how conducive na ebeye for you nia ema se wo de abusuasam eye wa ebu man te se de Akufuado eye enye ne se wofa se nantini kuro umia osu wa mia ne nan no sei kenoforiata ebeye deal or the onwane bank data bank ebeye ejapa sika semno enfa data bank gabi ochireda ko eye lawyers no enkom omunyina Akufuado abusuya na waba Professor Edubuahin neba deputy finance minister ono a on qualify ono na kwasai because Ken knows the danger in say ono na abekwa akosan enti no pushing the deputy who does not qualify per Ghana yemra no wo bahwe na osafo mafo neba no ono na ye country director for Ejapa so who cartel no the mafia no na corruption cases mebo PDS by yenya MPP communicators like my brother ono sabre no wa brochire omo ana e wa no they came and defended this unim communicators no ho ya me mobo chen bibia they defended this but mpanyifo amedidi mebubo omudin kira me communicator baako even in Ashanti region ni din ka ho omukuku PDS no sa krono die na omode befa Ghana ECG papa no CEO no sorry sesia no so wa pray akwa primaries da e wo Kumawu so man to ama no the people of Kumawu know better omunim die nti o man to ama no and I will leave it there no ma kuku PDS no sika se na omode be hye mu yemfa Ghana ECG Kwame Nkrumah nam so enne yenya so mfaso no eduru mre bi na aye overstretched under Rollins dum so baye under President Kufuor dum so baye under Tamas dum so baye under Mahama dum so baye but in the intellect MPP for today from the president to Bawumia to minua communicator o ne papa ya sorry call ye MPP ni no omo entiase no with all my education ni bibia no omo say Mahama na didum so baaye one dum so yenyina obi o ye fair to the facts enim maka under Rollins dum so baaye or the aboaje thermal plant baaye enti se neno wo say Mahama na didum so baaye na wadisua no kakakra bibi ana boapayo ana wo nokra de nokra won ka bi eno na chi no Mahama solve ECG no dum so no Bawumia mpo eka se Mahama asolve dum so ono na de ne ba ye wa solve a he deserves no credit today ye wo kanea mu Mahama ka say for him ma the next government say ye government and government foforo no embe suffer sadum so no ene MPP can claim say omo aye hu bibi fast forward kojo opon Nkrumah say den say NDC for the way beba PDS no NDC ye na ye chi omo ene PDS ko see sen ya sa ko back to ECG right Ejapa royalties ɛno nso ejapa no na nado abusuafo na sa group na sa do krum
baba I want to say that we be say who part political party will be to join unua eka ubaka wo fast ka na ka they all qualified to hold positions obias bet hold position I think eba ya no wanya na den
Sir Mike Ghana nya abusua bi de o Ghana nya Kufuado abusua de o that we must understand and stop deceiving ourselves omun qualify na Rollins wo hu kwan na abusuafo bi qualify ye frɛ bibi a ye frɛ no morality say yakɔ president Kofuo abusua mu a me I say it any day sata na me MPP ni president Kofuo abusuafo nim de ankasa na ohia nipa 100 kra wɔ na ban mu a ko benya omu nyina wɔ na abusua mu but you see the conscience did not serve him say onya de Kufuado ayi na Kufuado nkwa na ne conscience and na ye ubenya nkrofo enam akire na omo qualify ntima me nkomanim medisi no kwadwo a predict say corruption wey beba enye ye NDC ana ye di sa adwuma no but kwadwo eye obi a wa ban no onim katase hye project krono a omo bo nti he only predicted in normal yebeka Martina Midu nye nanado na employ no 2 weeks ago na nye nanado na employ oya na special prosecutor nti Martina Midu report odi aba ma menkan baby quick one na mainland
page 27 pages
27 pages me bono for summary o hwa ma yibi or describe nanado bibi wa say or say when I met the president on the 23rd October 2020, I received the shock of my life when he demanded that I took no further action on the Japan royalties transaction, anti-corruption assessment risk. Okay, report ni nyina nanado try bia so best stop papa no because nebusuafo animu begu ase. Omo abo oman no krono. Na or describe nanado or say Kufuado only looks like the innocent flower, but he is the mother serpent of corruption. Or say yehu nanado some say nanado is the creation of the media. Muna mu penti nanado ukwa Bible mu a Yesu Kristo aka bibi fa enda emusieye enda tum. Or say wo hwe ukwa tafua esieye no ya dress eso no kama ba emu no proyenko akankan o se sa na nanado te no no ne ntiye mu no o se wowo enini wowo batan which means wowo mba bebre abusuafo bebre wo hwa wona se nanado ba no katase sha or ye katase sha mu wowo batan
masaba abusia ogoso SNP on Kumawood TV o de nkire 0202668464 Fabra ni nyamre kenkan emfa emao nyamre na yesinupi nyahwe amomai no etumpon Evangelist Richard Pra and our training kan or parliamentary candidate edma NDC ewo insiaye so constituency in the Ashanti region of Ghana, Kumasi to be precise. Mr. J
open guess here.
Good. Yeah, share a Japa say another issue corruption no allegedly no alleged corruption scandals. The abe chat to opera na matemidu edibia to so pa no Japa royalty. Japa no pra no na mo pese mo yede ana kofa wina.
Yeah, open mensa for fidikese so achia obi bia ode me fidi atomo fidikese so a omo ehwe ene anwumre. Na the title entia bebre pa enkoma the mayor of Ashanti region honorable Osei SCB
honorable or me show this
great why ejuma pa why ejuma pa because there's only some mayors are few are meeting who say could go round to all the media houses are all portray the good work of this government. I mean initial and the personal aid George Opoku also so
a feature MP.
Sure efatano pa akare ya bebuano and hardworking education minister ohwe napo me no ka say enche abrofo no kra no mbeba o my Ghana mu abesua the double track system. Oh yes, because me free abuchi na eba almost started double track. I mean the entire Austria, Italy, they say lockdown. So muna go into e-learning. Ultimately on mbeba Ghana abesua the double track, and then the hardworking and then humble national youth organizer ohwe Nanabi. Ohwe nsema about with propaganda bia Martin Amidu area. You could see say when you study leadership and management, one of the year Professor Bika, a friend of Daniel Goma, or leadership in terms of emotional intelligence. I dare kind of say when someone wants to take a position, he only found himself way by using the system of what we call federal contingency theory. That is a task-oriented leader. Now there's a akwenya sebia so say or they nipa bi ya omo figure within the party ebeba from based on Japan enyoma ebe MDP na me call Japan so na ya san say evangelist ka wo nyame afrew you say politician na adwuma yi nyina no nyame dwuma na ye senka papa yi hwe the will see church mu akem
not to go personal.
Oh, nya personal na me. Yeah. Ko say adwuma a wo yi ka wote ho na ka o kan sempa pa say twi akra e de ma nyame a eno na me kan that no personally. E na me oh, na so be impanifo say the opa de akokotoko na enye na bro. No bi ono no de wakọ ayi odi akọhye Bretton Woods institution for so many times. Anytime we remember abem bi de akọ Bretton Woods institution. Now betra na wo kan bibi sa mana na say be previous nyame djuma na say evangelist a wo ye no wa moa ye. Like again, or can be about corruption. Now madam fu bi send me message via our Facebook or say if Martinamidu describes Nanado as a serpent of corruption, then the coefficient of a Japa, then what is the coefficient for government official one? In quote, Amari power deal $540 million under John Dramani Mahama. Baby, and make rich when it comes to investment portfolio and on stock exchange and Huajuma and Mayor. And then we come to Sada deal, Muamo TV, and no $100 million. Waba Jida, and say Papa Kura Omodem, ya doubt na kase Omo national organizer kase Omo Bape, Omo Bi Papa Abuga Peli, Umbe free in Sawem prison. Okay, I saw photo 1.2 million. Kumasi Airport, Omo the quota the Kogusu, and Omo de light, street light cobos. Many time be a one of my number. But John Mahama Ebekachi said $29 million. I say Tadi Railway 1 billion. Tiabo gas deal 2 billion. Just all sha. Corruption, you know, so many. We have bars rebranding. STL Korea D, Wyoming, Suba, Brazil, Circuit Interchange, Kasua Interchange, KJT Saga, Rich Hospital, Lego Hospital, just a Ratri Park. Oh, and trouble because forensic a year and coyer and we say dog air cannon. Now court, but you may do on my untimi Emma out, Emma Mimi Chich Munina. Now, my may educate evangelist Kakra. Viewers, and also so can William, she can say royalties, royalties here, said Mike. Uwo asase ewo ho na me maba me investor maba maka cho se Mike wasase me hu se afumu ogudie wo so na me pese me bitu na YouTube ya e ho hyehye ne tesen no waka se okay ansa na obeba me masase so no ye wade bia de obenya wo so bia no ma me mu ohamu ebupen enum, that is 5%. It is our 5% now all the bema me any friends of royalties. Now that was under Kufuor term. Most munina by Emasa 5% minina na ekoswa Ghana ede ebo ne budget no ho ebra. In 2013 ya papa John Mahama ya no so you dwan funu ha o de second kwetwa na second we twa na kwa nyi ya pamo no man ko ya isi so sa ba bi mu 2013 okohwe under Ghana Minerals Commission on a Japan royalties na na sika no enko etimebu say 2013 no Minerals Commission royalty sika no John Mahama na ye president
na enko hine
na enko Minerals Commission
na enko
Mahama
na so mo de kwa na enko
asa ka wunya royalties na e wo say sika no eba na ko Ghana Minerals Commission na ko omu receive as revenue na ye de kan Ghana ye budget no supplementary budget na ye de run country no o ko hwe ho sisi a wi a ma won santwefo no na mo hwe na mo nyesa investigation enko me wo pip document no na emu ya se me banment me ye amfa because show no Silver FM me ne omo NDC communicator ba ko friend Rashid afo to hwe ne mu say and again 2014 the same thing John Mahama so ko nwura ho no ko diska no so mo the brain wo Jubilee House wo se Flagstaff House wo na so no agye no atena so this kind nko 2015 John Mahama e ko je royalties na no was di enko 2016 84 good years a papa we betena so na sika nko.
Okay, so NPP took over in 2017.
2017.
NPP are finally are from those minerals companies no. Say ABA 2014 scan ko hene mo de command hwan 15 command hwan 16 command hwan and I say the first na enko there ma conclude say
oh na
just taking it
na say obi na efa because one na take ye de o man japade ama no say ombo ho bra enti say we de o man japade ama say bo ho bra o ba ye nso no unni babia sika wo ani sika ba nyina na say ye ye report mu and I say ye na say sika ni ho no ma how are we going to enti no na o be free so no 3 days on 4th January ena demrevo na samre no UN amana djuma wo ye djuma o Malawi na oka o Malawi auditing firm ena John Mahama says abrante bra na asemo ya atome he say krono ama bo my Ghana no say ma mo ama amehye auditor general ho say kima enkofu ba amewu so on the 4th January 2017 ena John Mahama Emma appointment letter edema domrepom tumisremo Kumawood equity pa monya research man airport and of mono sign krata or de or man the same time and was be become a shraj it is all her ya Mahama ebe through on my 2 key appointment the auditor general and shraj even attorney general kunya kwan komabi and chief justice for unya komabi but and also so no emra emma ne ho kwan yemfa nto enti eba sa no ena na do trans no se da bi se ye trase emma se sika yi enwunu gu a enye enti adenti ena ya trase since gadgets bed time 1625 that is about 375 years ago ena abrofi started with 2 gold o my Ghana dan den na ne omo betu no mo ye koton enti yintimi fa nko adwama so na yenko dan sika ne nesu nya emfaso emfaba ti ehɔ no ene friend stock exchange na stock exchange no ena na do no because we share the quantum of our money now for 15 years no it will be accumulated to about $4 billion and I will seek $4 billion no it's because you are going to compete with the powerful people. Jeff Bezos more on the net worth is around $189 billion Bill Gates 138 billion Mark Zuckerberg Facebook also so them $110 billion $4 billion lenko enti de wo hian say e wo say ope bi a friend say broker stock exchange broker and no more trans no stock exchange group no je wo kro bi a omo so ye expert mo ye from Jersey no e kro island between France and UK and omo ko ka say ye wo royalties bi say ni say na ye pese mo deal mo trading e de MIN. And answer now, you have to get a legal personnel almost so a bit back and a legal since I international trade because London Stock Exchange is the second biggest stock exchange in the world. Who you Wall Street woman and two team fat on the top yeah on only a local man on what do airport and meaning general international standard on a pen kata a pen. But we need a well-furnished international legal practitioner who is well recognized when it comes to a business trading and on global market. And no Gabia, or you can know base you. Or law fair. It may refer not to say or say a family. Now come
apart from Gabi or Cheda, Ghana, you need international lawyer.
Oh, now Sabin Prebiasa, when I airbano. share a year Ghana you can't just stand say mediwe amamu yemba so omum be the building be call out ama so many legal firms ebetimi ade aba abebede it is ono buy no bebedi no nya ya I mean what is wrong with that?
It mean can say yes because say we are close to the president we are president relative you know what they buy no obi esuru yan fama no fanko
oh there be who's a Ghana and Africa and you ne sa enyoma we say but when you go to the global world now say nipa no ese e fata say adwuma no so ya you and at the end of the day no you account for the person say the adwuma na adema no or ye niye and aso nye niye yeah with the data bank now okay I'm referring to be responding to
how many minutes
me responding to sa a year no can about Nanado Gaba is to the Bushia form where the no data bank they all went and bid and may remind them in 2019 data bank was once recognized as the leading and the biggest investment bank when it comes to consultancy. Okay. You should go there, Google and check. In Africa, and almost call day and almost in now no can't be to say Charles Dubois. I mean, that guy is a Wall Street broker and they control the world economy. And in fact, Wall Street 2019 they gave 24.65% total GDP to the entire world. So when America goes down, the entire world collapsed. This guy was a broker at the Wall Street. Into our home coin or the license as a deputy minister for finance. So also to need to sign. Now let's come to South Family. To be quite the banu for Sukache. Yeah, man,
it's not true.
It's not true.
Right. Google.
Yeah.
Your phone is close to you.
Tony Leto.
You see?
Tony Leto.
You see what you are doing.
There be Tony Leto. Nana Oyeleto. Nana Diano. Oh, good. No. On the hero on the da and passo. The Yirimua. Now, Mahama more appointment. Now, Yasha Bawa, now I say no fast on the not or a deal or a NBC Amemu. Also, so no close relation. Now, Yasha Ibrahim Mahama. All the contracts, in fact, even came say he was what a cabinet member. Or time of my
station will be sued. I'm recording this.
Recording it. Yeah.
Okay. Or cabinet member. Sunday, will be as official member.
Now,
allegation.
Now, Vim lady, if you Pokia, what can say? What she's ready for someone in the court. What it is at the court. Nobody, because she knew what she was saying. And she has evidence to at the NDC for bear. They didn't. They only make noise and no more the echo. Now, a Japano, echo the same thing like Sino Hadu. NDC or more NTS. They should humble themselves and learn. And not any time beyond baby piano. Almost say or mine.
But it's not surprising, say. It's not surprising, say. Nipa people bosu connected to a Japanese are also close relatives to the president of the
and my question is, do they also qualify?
Okay.
Do they also qualify? So if they qualify, are they also not Ghanaians? Okay. That is where we have to come from.
Right.
And the other we are not sure the interest of the state is say. Do they qualify? Are they Ghanaians? Somewhere here, then on we go.
Okay.
Yet to come well. Most of the contracts near Ibrahim Ahama, we foresaw say he's a Ghanaian. And in fact, he's also employing Ghanaians. It hadn't even fair to my man. Then we are say. Or my Japadie will come about $450 billion. Yeah, do Mahama bar or they come near Ibrahim Mahama in the unibox site say only one 2 weeks for 50 years, never again.
Okay. But what do you see about evangelist or no? What do you think was wrong at the end of the day? After Martinemi do the investigation on a Japan royalty on Benica said it should go back to Canada. What do you think was wrong? If all these people are ever moved in they are experts, they know what they were doing.
Yeah, unze Martinamidu ababa beye nipa bia also me use in leadership and management we have a federal contingency theory. Okay. So when I say war the nine or the friend is over to Baba and 99 HBB so soon after the deceit of Rollins and then he came out say because there is a very fishy meeting that has gone on now. Right after 2021 election, Martin Manbidu, you over frame to me, Buamame. Because the Rollins fashions, they are building themselves up. Look at Alotejo Corp, and then Kokwe Nidaho, and those big ways out there, yeah. Now, you can say, oh, yeah, want to go. He is building up his also another political career to also come a mountain out of it. Because John Muhammad, they have no say, she can't taho, and it's going to be DBR. Komatman has a presidential ambition, and you know what start here or Lambas.
Right, you go so then come on Sinopi Kumawood TV. I just say, 0202668461. But your man Fred, for text message and our WhatsApp message in the first one, and can evangelist. In 3 minutes, now, we come from
Yo, Minia, me te one in your dear, go through me. I dream was saying to wait, baby, in any. If you are broaching any.
So, also attack the personal.
You allowed him to even mention some me in Kokanya Mesem. Nyamesem be in a chain. Say, yeah, can't, on my asem.
Me retract but
Minia shall
cause no there be who's a Mike or so money away cause oh we are total ignorance when it comes to no who's on here. All right, but he should watch the way he talks. Yeah,
I think my viewers will really be surprised when you go with let's do discussions. You will few days. After 4 days to come now, 5 days more, what do you mean your campaign? This opportunity you have got to speak for your party and let's go.
Madam Sibium, oh, say people get offended when you use the word useless on them.
Why do you want to go to
the word? Where am I going to? Where am I going to? Why don't you allow me to talk? If you think say, baby, I may corner, wrong. You have the right to draw my attention. Just mentioning the word useless, and you are.
You know me.
Just tell him to calm down.
But don't also use the word useless. And don't.
Hey, I can walk.
Right.
Now say we don't have anything because they are okay now. You are total ignorance.
No, the
word useless. He should retract it. He should retract the word useless. But when you are ignorant in something, you don't use the word useless.
And I'm not from Mobile some Jimre, Nasa, Remo Hemi. A can't hear by any the time about Mesha, the Abegamaso, now Mary Fever, and how not so to me any day, Dana Dana, I am young, but my dinner no time about Mesha Ibi, Bora Brass, the Basho, from a show, be our say, over time about Mesha, now when you be a beat me up wow, you okay and Jane about castles, a draw on no matter one and come one in Yan or Ding a strong, they sent down. Na aboa mo tumi edi yare so na wonya ke enji haba kapsusibi ene time haba me shan na wokabo na no no dia no kwasen sene sewani na ensese e ka kiro to make am fosa inu emi edi amount so bi bera mo nwa transport haba to family show e bi e tun do bi akwa so pe ke enji haba kapsus ene time haba me sha so for number 0244 417 669 e be that phone na the phone na so munya da je na mo hwe me din the Dr. Kennedy Usu Agyeman me do bi bia as
if I shall be a mission, dear value.
Brade, and not to him. Ah,
not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen, what you mean, say.
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, and make us a maybe time about Misha one dance here. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The woman for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the total about Mr. Draven. She's a Wako hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than Ziva a woman.
FDA ashe edwadie nkwato yi mu agi atomo se eye.
Mensenye diananka malaria ya me pasa. Ah. I don't to be mommy.
No, mommy.
Many drew. Oh, yeah. Your friend in your dear herbal messer. eye malaria dro papa sa wo ko hospital na wo hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moja mu a ko penya dua herbal mixture ebe su malaria nyina wonu mu ato a nyanya dua herbal mixture wonu mu beye wo kama na wo bedi be batama
mama
si wa wari si ho
yeah
no be so mama
na mami ba ko pe na ode mami
ko herbal shop dodo nemo nsabeka bi
me de begia ware na nkasa nye dua herbal mixture
dua ye dro
ebusiafo mami kan yampa hwederi a mekuno wo si bi hwie duane no hwehwe nye dua herbal mixture na wanom ede amame abofra wonni mfie dumie no.
Right, I was having some more crab and Fabra Sirupi on Kumawood TV. I didn't say Fabra on 0202668464. New number into me and Kenka and Fa Emma. I was a master. Ask him 2017, 2018, 2019. Where did the money goes before 2020? I think that we a questioner will be able to ever royalties no at the end of Unyambra will be an at the amount. Was it 2020 NDC will win the election by 57.4%. I am prophet of God. Prophet, you know, for the bar now at me, I can at the amount. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, evangelist, we are sure you can win in Shayasu seat. No. Are you sure you can win in Shayasu seat? Let's wait till next week from Nana Efia. Nana, I check no next week Tuesday. Yawaha. Na evangelist, a winner. Near Madame, well, Lususwa, near Bruno Fia. And now better here and Oh, evangelist, give us the name of the former President Rawlings' brother or sister. I wonder what. Okay, please, you need to go back to history. Anyway, how old are you? From Sapon. Sapon, why do you want to know the age of evangelist? Good evening to you. I'm enjoying you on my TV. Chumesi, aka Men Penquine from Brekum. Okay, Chumesi, yes, so I don't know. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show from Greater Accra region. Kasua, Nakasua, Greater Accra. Yes, Central region. Please tell the NPP man we will not vote for them, even if they bring all foreigners. Okay. Right. Evangelist, now 2 minutes.
Yes. Se Ghana fo nya gidie wo nana adumu na ensama omo kan efa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama twetwen Ibrahim ni nua Ibrahim nyina de ba mu aka less than saying around 6 days near Koto aba 4 years you are ye dan ho ate I saw photo Wayomi they are still bold to mention Wayomi. Oma say Ghana for time. Say obi ye bibi to anamo under Mahama. A bo minor eka ema minor dimboni ana bibia. Ye the Ghana for nya gidie wo mu e the 4 years a hye onsam. Wontu menya ho hwe. Wono bokro no na ye kyew ne ye ka. Wo se den. Wona wo bokro no. And records show. And today we are being schooled about royalties. Some of us are being called ignorant when you don't know the person's background. Yenya butre. Ni yenti asiyase. Nanadu wedi omayi huamo. Everything shows. Amidu diane die is just a tip of the iceberg. Yenim. And I will not hide it. Na me wa MPP. I left because of Nanado. And today I've been proven right. And Ghana for do na ehwe ehun say no na usa but na hu bibia ye mu bia hu. Enti come ne na awotwe. You are going to make a change. And I think God will bless them. Oman we yen to me san fansha Nanado and in abusuan sabium. What is their message? For more to do more. For more to do more of what? More of PDS, more of cash for seat, more of Mary, more of website, 800 million website, more of what? More of Ejapa year ene huapa soa etumia pamo amidu me say Amidu entumi anya adwuma nyina nanado ne na busua no.
But he's not a strong man.
Amidu is not a strong man. Master, you have no idea when you are dealing with Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, you have no idea. You see, Obama made it clear when he came to Ghana that we need stronger institutions, not stronger men. The SP office was created, say, Mbeye adwuma bi. Nanado ne na busua ma papa ya anya adwuma. Wo se on now, he has a conscience.
The all chrono, what catch the Ghana for say, Ketashan proye.
I ado krona nanado ena ye nehene. Yes. Yes. Semena meka the first na nkomo ngi ni.
No say all chrono.
Oko.
Wo na also be boa me fight is hard no. One ngoye.
You see? So what kind na yi na? Ne problem onya ye pa menua chei. Me first 10 minutes, you did 17 minutes.
Talk to me.
Just calm down, yeah?
Talk to me.
Nanado ne na busua. If you are dealing with them, you have no idea. You have no idea. Say, what setting up an institution? Now the obi to say Amidu to ano. No one ma Amidu anye na adwuma. Na ken oforiata to me kwa Amidu fie. For what? Good. Mamenka de okọ fie okoye. Ejapa report no. Ena na okọ pese okọ sire no. Enche bia that video will come out. If you are dealing with Amidu, be careful. Inti waka say MPP for mama push no. The more they push him, today they can describe him as anything.
Right. For more to do what? Let's look at the economy. Mobile net is saying, hey, I'll be doing saying, Mosa Mope for more. To do what in this country?
Mike, economy there, all the cover there. Let NDC, I hope Omunya one vote crowd. Now, young call Ghana historically, economy, say the city.
We remove just 7 minutes.
Oh, great. Yeah. You can't, Debiane can say 1 district, 1 factory, Oshe, 1 village, 1 dam, 3 SHS Nekona, and Penny Force, young Cotier Dumlano, Nane Ahai. Now, then, Yana may can say, on my Ghana, a Becoso para age na economy, and Sana sa government programs and policies in Nano, Etimi Akoso. Now, Abra, as President Kufuor, ebe take over in 2001. Now, Ghana, you free be say GDP, that is gross domestic product, and no ena or minor usika sem nyoma wo ton no services R&D ka wunya within the year no any friend say GDP na umu miensa your friend of nominal GDP and your real GDP and purchasing power GDP. Now, in total, no, you use nominal GDP. Now, our debt to GDP in 2001, Akufo taking over, was 182%. 182%. And according to IMF and World Bank, the moment our debt to GDP, every bought a remove from 75 to 80 going, then you are in the zone of IMF. That is the Bretton Woods institution. Because almost certain editor say, "O maya sebi previasa munimu die eni munyansa e wosikasem huntutuye amamu apro ateteno abrofo ne beba abesomu dane dan o man ni ede amamo ejimu nsemo yes in 2001 na e debt to GDP no 182%. It is a bank sane ye kobo bosia e wa adwaman so a global market no na Ghana ye bobosia with an interest of 15%. Thank you call Euro bond no World Bank no kwaji bosia sane city. Na Kufuor ye say e was call HEPIC. Na HEPIC no so no World Bank the IMF so omo maye nyede enko na ke o ho kwan se be ko omo se e was Ghana etua sika bi which is $34 million. Esan say NDC aban and misinforming the World Bank and then the IMF. I believe it's a name. Minia a penny or TV in Zunim. Sanka correct figures out, Sanka NDC, they come IMF, no, they misreported. And the IMF say, because I said the 7 previous, Yahu and Mukwe, say Ghana for now, Sebi, Moyo Mubukata, and the Mocha Guma, Yandia Sabi, you need that, to say a war. No, say until Sakufu $34 million, no, they will not accept us. So, Omo the Kabeche, the Yako, EPIC, and now say IMF. IMF also a modern day colonial rule, and now say modern day slavery. I saw a crowd bonnet. Now, Papa sons as the whole Kumasi prison, Konekodaho. I no crowd sa pa chewo say mama the prison and your friend say IMF and akofo dane on my Ghana ni so in 3 years 6 months and akofo yi free the Bretton Woods institution my friend IMF and Ghana ebe dey ho. So in 2006 Ghana was out of what IMF. Now yeah you know your debt to GDP no assign every time abanachi equal 26% from 108 to 2% to about action baba do 26%. Then Ghana is out of what epic. Now that occur a German so our average rate of lending nanka ye bosia and we 17%. Yeah, now occur a German so bosia area 206 Ghana nanado kofo abemu. In 2000 in 2006 right and akofo ototo mine to so yeah 2008 ablana akofo be free on 2007 be free on satan na me banker e Ghana ansa na me tukwai ye ko en sorry say ni akopa achew se mumla mejebusia me so so kai me evangelist obekai yeah because on obetna you are na okan yoba by 2016 na sa na 2016 na so 2016 one name abosia na bank ko bank u sika kra na bank ye yaje na ko fine ruhu bank wo ko chesi amafo mu fie se bla beje bosia na u sika da bank kra kokko e ma NIB my ba say me be dedication in 2016 me do ho no misika they should give me just 5,000 o say misika ni ho o be sika ni ho o mo to konebra bank na gu bank no egu ye de wa kwahye IMF nsa because of all physical deficit NBC dia ko so in 2008 and ejai at the mob we the na economy no esi e grow said the economy no esi tie dey free kofo free abemu no na your debt to GDP in 2008 no abeduru 32%. Now your foreign reserve 9.3 billion US dollars. Say kofo at debt to GDP so about 150%. Any jadema NDC Professor Mills be taking over. And then no so in 2014 and John Mahama and be taking over. For her ohunu kra and what they onu kotopo no the crash no and was no it's all minor attitude apansam and another Dr. Baumia bashing on say incompetent the economy is in shambles in ICU intensive unit or say Ghana ye dey call near omutoto nyomaye or kai this is so we prophet of doom there and na ye ko mukaya or dey call senti ya so bia fa ni nim diamla esan say John Mahama si ni nim die eni ni nyansa ewo economy mu apen asan na akaya ye ma me akua donko o mu nyina ko because empanifo 77 to kwafono wa na ato ni akeka eni ye boss to kwa na otimi tambo na de ato na afo atam haban na okoto sa na ye John Mahama ena no mu ye ya na 2015 o bu sa de ko share IMF nsa king tom kwa IMF na IMF says no o mu ngie bi because Mono buy in 2001 or debt to GDP no 182%. 2008 move from 32%. Most of foreign reserve about 9.3 billion US dollars. Now a day and within 8 years no most also equal debt to GDP 73.75%. Yan yemu and in 2008 yes free hobo say free amemu no mo say nya oil not just a mo crown 77 prebiasa school not just a mono 77 prebiasa school no na economy mu hu the we see etoto nyoma de fa anasa say na nadomo mo ye ya eno of 24 say to Mr. Swan Masori on the bemu under Bretton Woods institution IMF and the United Nations and papa ekwa prayer say osre mo sanfem konkoshe ensawam prison bin na mo amototo economy nyeden enfamai eno na omode e fe no policy credibility. That is the harsh programs on the mind. Say, for teachers, do here teachers, omutimima teachers appointment 3 years. Me have yasama reappointment. Me have 3 months. Ya hakumwa doctors. After not doctors are true application nam. Nurses, backdate in 2012. Nurses were still at home.
So comparatively,
it's comparatively no. Say about economy now. And the backbone of every country. And ana mo so me ba sabe abom se de don so abo akoko enti edan ene sa yes o se sa de o man no exoxemuta se economy ninja ankasa automobile industry come my Ghana mu.
Okay, grazie. Also, Mr. Host, you are not practicing professionalism in the studios. Why do you allow the MBB man to use an abusive words on the NDC man? Though the two men are not facing the truth, I know. They should tell the truth, not lies. Nana Addo has done all for more for Nana. Otaniba Daniel Da Costa from Baby. Mr. Don't make a message, you know. Me and Van Hyde. The audio band make kind. Oh, Mr. Host, are you sure this man is a reverend? Which church? He can insult the president, but NDC cannot win. They will be in opposition for the next 20 years. Insulted the president? I never heard of it. Mr. Evangelist, NDC cannot win any election again. So just throw in the towel. It is not too late from Sapon, Mamponting, and the free or the Abba. The MPP man, the NDP is the name of the Lord, and they are stealing the country through even the president. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm Christian Upoku Nyame, watching you from Eswatre. In fact, I'm enjoying the way you are moderating the show. God bless you. Tell the NDC they will never win. 4 more for another to do more. Evangelist.
Champion.
Economy.
Good. Meda si bebre se wasan so amaye kwan se yenka economy no. Na meba ma mebi eden krabi jame. O say meba mengade against those jargons no. It confuses the ordinary Ghanaian. Enti o ma me list bi say ono economy a oti ase no membe kan ebia Ghana for dodo na so beti ase. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o free abemu 6th January 2017 na CD to the dollar na ye 4.17, which means me per $1,000 e di akra no ma e was me de 4,170 cedis menya $1,000. Samre no na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia o say ne so economists ebimbada o koha no mode ye seminar no ye o mawe no ma talks no ye we na manfo bonsem no mo boje no so adwadifo say enida so ebewo ho e bia $1,000 ye tua 4,170 no Dr. Baumia senior wasi abin di oba e bia wanya de kra ye beto no 3,000 cedis. Enne as we speak under President Akufo-Addo under Baumia, the economists or no say 100 days or $1 no de safuana ma IGP no CD to the dollar na 5.9, which means enne we here 5,900 na when you $1,000.
And only a selling price no. Is it because you say dollar no?
Sir Mike, who phones bear me and send a good serious no. Just check na men camp the American. Why? Good. Yeah, quite name no. Edwadie ema omai tumpon omai a omu edwadie sam no enkoyie no omai no enkoyie. Si yehwe asante mantam ha ya mpo a ye edwadifo ye di dwapa ye mudodo na na ekra no ma hwe ohawa ye wo mu ye se 1 nanado egugu banks ye mudodo na sika ahye enu nti no edwadifo kra bebre entumi nkra no ma enne ohia bo ka kire me
$6 na 5.82
5.82 good may you so figure no but mema ye pon a mema osika 5.82 na wato $1,000 amame me se me de be ma ba bia wo beto no de mi hia ne se wa mama 5,800 and saying 20 cedis. Now wa mami $1,000, right? Good. Enti wo hwe banks a omugu no ede unemployment rate ekosoro omo akotena fi omo edwadifo omo sika ahye ne sa no ma no eno ye sika sem andananado sa wo hwe one driving force edwadifo ewo baabi aganafo aye ehyen ade edi fango edigu ehyen mu because wo ye hwan wo be use wo be fa hyen His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ekono na yeto 1 gallon fango 1 gallon 16.5 ene andananado baumia oma ben omoso ben ebi mbada oma koye japa ama ya chi omo yeto fango eno so Google mame 24 cedis depending on the quality mpo ope ubenya bi 27 cedis v power weni economy ne papa ne ninjina so ebi mada na me wo Mahama time no na me hia $1,000 minua me yi Ghana sika 4,100 me to minya $1,000 under the wa bia hye no ene me hia almost 6,000 wo se economy ni jina so am ebi ma yensa nso nko the housing sector yanko the housing sector wo hwa obia ehia baabi odi ni tiri beto His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne yese ne so incompetence anase incompetent ebi mada okono ne yeto cement 28 cedis ene andananado obinfo washe ne abedi ekire baomia ne so economists bi mada ene wa free economy eco digitization near there. The money is all over the place. When you economy no when to me and ya to cement 41 cedis. One year full depending on baby a wono 40 cedis. Bisa Ghana edwumafo any one AC dan. Yen ye wo sa sector no mu. E dan system etesen and cement buo kosura wonim say dodo na han dan efie rafo no no mu de ye omo target o ye ka say last week obi teme fie watuko me da urade ase amanfo a chase e ba ho edan ya me de ma obi 4,000 2 years ago and me de ma 6,000 obi aba na oko if you are for bedia dance omo ewo into estate development omedia dance these are the driving factors of any solid economy into uba na obetuto na GDP ni we ni me ma mi oti dwam di onim ne se ntos okofa aye ka odefa aye first ni agini sei and the same ntos no okofa ya tutum nti ntos miensa no anka odebaje 1 cedi no de je 1 cedi 50 ni okoto no so na oto the same way 1 cedi na otua mo wo se economy na gina so chen bibia wachi economists le bi mada aka 6 days Ghana for ede mensam yi a mede agudwai omo de bekwa adwindwin mu na nyame ya adomo a from what we are gathering His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is coming back. Okay. In fact it's only a matter of time for it to manifest. Wawini because enewo hwa MPP omo campaign message ye den omo si free SHS ubisa cement bo omo si free SHS ubisa petrol bo omo si free SHS. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say men kan kire mo say free SHS in fact ono na sha ase and the word he used was progressive as it is enshrined in the Constitution 1992 Constitution of the Republic.
Let us say evangelist and Motini Kano on Wednesday I'll make my point on the free SHS issues. Be a candidate.
Watch it. Wednesday
even if I want to 0202 668461 0202 668462 if I tell Oba no TV no na perform na what you phone me but you can maybe I want to wait me afre and friends see WhatsApp line so free seat numbers na go screen no so na yenton kan oba no lower the volume of your TV set near tonka. Even if you want to talk about corruption, we got to know that there is no law governing that deal, but the majority NPP in parliament, including the speaker of parliament, passed that deal. They are corrupt. Okay, Evangelist, I can see that you are corrupt. Mind you, NDC will not win this elections 2020. Nana AJ from Bebiani and Nana Ede Abba. Mr. Maybe I'm to wait me afraid. Nafi, I take one can. Mr. Mike, the evangelist forgot to ask the woman how much was her son receiving when the rate was 4.5. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello, much over there.
Good evening, I'm free.
No, so we didn't among because we need them.
What are friend?
Okay,
you're too video, man.
I'm using your cousin out my mouth. Last year, they also do not know this night. Yeah, and this prayer is not coming with you. I see her. You they say to ceremony. I made my family.
Okay, yes, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm here to be here. They are afraid.
But man of integrity, Mr. Africa.
Man, you enter Africa.
Now, what can I say? Anything more not so no. You can't say one. The Umuadia, oh, boy, your company, and a big lady. Apart from that, no, that can say the only that they are on paper because all two put through a good of winning on kind of bread. I'm a paying for air corner. I come on, I will organize Ojagana, $1 what can say? Mamma, we assemble the name Mama. I know my with possibly plan about to party the
okay, I'm in the first one. Belly, you are also a woman, penny in raw. Also, what I must name. Hello, good evening. We are free.
I'm very western of Pisa Contemporary.
Okay, you until Pisa Contemporary.
Yeah, my papa and I said, never can one. In fact, entity about by a mother said, no, basa. Almost can be almost a education. A education you did. When you school, you will go our school. And so we pay, and I said, dear warrior, star woman. Or this thing will be our school. In Ghana for more money and more. Ah, so when you visit Mahama, Besamba Power, of the Ghana man.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Maybe I'm free.
The partner we are trying to like let's make it.
Who free? Ejra, such a mass. Okay, it's you.
The partner, Aquana empty to Lumitano, as you know, therefore, because I'm working with a father, a innocent person. But innocent person, we are a thief. A thief will do something that will not undermine you. Because our father, on 2nd December, we will approve our father government like a cassava to the last step.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, free.
But I make myself free upon the Western region.
Okay, until.
The patrol, the NDC for my TV, the understand. NDC for money, the Papadia Edemaya. Because they are very free senior high policy. And it's from what I found on the boy. And then Kwalakos to Abla to a moon to be. Ask questions, Kwala and Jimmy and Toby. It's Mama, now so my Naka to legalize him. Okada, Adi Amaya, the Victoria, sir. Me, who said the Victoria, sir? Adia, a woman. Let's again of what Kaya. But then Mama, the catch fire, I put it for problem, the catch fire said. Yana Nam.
Okay, hello, good evening. Where are your last caller?
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
I'm in traffic. I don't know. I'm in traffic. Kumase.
Yes, you.
Nana,
MPP ni all started economy na for the starting from all the time. Why you call IMF? Ako ko ni fimu. Na NDC ba mo pa niya ko siya IMF. Na all safety. NDC ni no. O kasi NDC ni kama. Kanya no kure. But who started from Mama Kam ni na one year. Obi who and Chelsea be on there. You all started from Lawrence. Okay. So Papa say what is the echo?
Message is not a dozen, but intimate and kind. My name is Ibrahim Dauda from Upper East. I'm pleading Ghanaians to change the presidented. We need change. Okay. I say again. This man is not okay. So many messages, but emergency, ideas. Yeah, in 20 seconds each. Evangelist.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
we need in the last before elections. And the Messer Ghana for the Edikan Yankoto Yabama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The Atosumi no Yama Asumbieno Entena Hoda. No matter the provocation, Yan share Hoso. Na yengade the peace a ye enjoy no na Mahama embe so omanu mu na yenya hope he's bringing hope back in so for so ento abanama Evangelist Richard Pra order number 2.
Okay.
Hey, I said Mike, but what boy you my the chief for Brasi Bebre. The can say we have barely 6 days here to aba. Me catch Ghana my asantema we bia say mo hu mpuntua nanado ebaye wabeye dum so wasolve free SHS economy ejina brand enne wo hwese de aban covid baya banks loans with the Exim Bank na okwa on the 7th December no number 1 Otoma NPP or so kukuku parliamentary so no so atwa man number 1 said the beya ye beto asona Evangelist ebe enjoy
for NPP family member Austria and so financial consultants and so and Evangelist Richard Pra a parliamentary candidate at the NDC in Inshasa constituency in Ashanti region of Ghana. Me the Michael Nana Admako say Mike. Na me yak mo china ibisia let us see.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brad, and not so beautiful.
Not only about Michelle, see about Queen, what you mean, say?
Brad, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and you're the about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, and make us a the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear Wama Kodano for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the total about Mr. Draven. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab.